Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video I'm going to review another baking mix from Keto Bakes, the supposedly best ever sandwich buns. This will be the second product from Keto Bakes that I'm trying out. The other one, the pizza crust I'll link to up here, was very good. I was thoroughly impressed with that. But how about the best ever sandwich buns? That's a pretty lofty claim. So we'll start with the nutritional information and ingredients. So we've got 9 total carbs per bun, 8 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar alcohol for a net 0 carbohydrates. Now, that's assuming, I guess, if you're just doing 10 or 11 dinner rolls. No, I take that back. That is for 8 rolls. So you can make dinner rolls or you can make burger buns. It says 8 if you're doing a burger bun. I'll probably do 6. For ingredients, we have non-GMO blanched almond flour, organic psyllium husk, non-GMO oat fiber, KB extra sweet, that's their sweetener mix, which is non-GMO erythritol, pure stevia extract powder. Oh, that's just it. I went up in tone like there was going to be a third thing. Nope, just erythritol and stevia. Himalayan pink salt, baking yeast, aluminum-free baking powder, and xanthan gum. So, just like their pizza crust, some very clean ingredients. But the next test is, how well does it mix up, how well does it bake, and how good does it taste? So into a mixing bowl, we are going to add 1 cup of egg whites. This is about half real egg white that I separated when I was making mayo, and I'll link to that mayo recipe at the end of this video. The rest of it is from a carton. 1 cup of water, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We'll dump in the dry mix and mix with a hand mixer. It says that the consistency should be like porridge. I don't know that I've ever had porridge, but it's definitely not dough-like, and it's not soupy. So I'm assuming that's what we're looking for. Then we're supposed to let this sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the batter here has started to thicken up a bit. Now it says that you can use an ice cream scoop to make individual dinner rolls, or you can divide the dough into 8 portions to make hamburger buns. Now I like my buns a little bit bigger. Stop snickering. So I'm going to do 6, and I actually have a bun mold that's perfect for that. So I got my baking sheet, and then this mold here has got 6 compartments. I'll link to it in the description. I'm going to do my best to kind of divide this into 6 portions. And then using my spatula, I'm just going to flatten these out and round them off a bit. All in all, I think I did a pretty good job doing 6 equal portions. I'm going to bang this on the counter a little bit just to make sure it fills in the edges. And then this is going to go into an oven preheated to 350 degrees for 55 minutes. It has been 55 minutes. Now, one of the things that I didn't do that were in the directions were to smooth the top with a wet spoon or wet fingertips, but still, the tops are looking pretty good. Also, if you find that your buns are getting a little bit too dark, you can top them with foil. I didn't do that either. So we're just going to let these cool and then see how they taste. So first off, let's visually compare the buns on the package to the ones that I made. Package. And mine. So mine aren't quite as smooth on the top because I didn't wet my fingers and smooth them out, and the tops are a little darker because I didn't use foil. But on the whole, these are some good looking buns right here. I highly recommend that bun making tray that I make. I mean, just look at these. Look at this. You don't get much better shape than this. Sliced in half, look at that texture. That looks pretty bread-like. They are still a little bit moist in the center, so I probably could have gone another 5 minutes had I covered them with foil. Let's give them a taste though. So the tear on it, not especially gluten-y, which is to be expected given the ingredients. Xanthan gum, while it will give a little bit of texture, doesn't give that same sort of springy tear. That is good. I mean, really good. It's still not like a wheat type of a bun because it doesn't have the gluten chew to it, but texture-wise and taste-wise, this is, it's the best bun I've had that's a keto bun. It's better than my recipe. So this is a winner. What I gotta see now is how well does it stand up to a burger and some condiments? Will all that juice and moisture cause an issue? All right, my burger's cooking up. I'm gonna prep my bun and then I'm gonna have a taste. All right, on the bottom, I've got my keto ketchup, a little chopped onion. On the top, my dill pickle mayo. There's the burger. Throw a dill pickle slice on top. And snap the thumbnail. And now let's see how this bun holds up to just a dripping, juicy burger. I don't know how much burger grease is running down my face right now. I don't care. I can tell you that on a lot of keto buns that I've tried, they're really kind of fragile. You take one bite into the burger and they start falling apart. Not the case on this one. This is a sturdy burger bun. So Keto Bakes is now 2 for 2 on the products I've tested by them. I still have some others I need to try out. The cinnamon rolls, the pancake mix. I know I've got at least one more from them, but that's coming in the upcoming months. But in the meanwhile, if you want to order any products from Keto Bakes, I will include a link down in the description below along with a coupon code. I'm pleased. I'm more than pleased. I'm thrilled. This is a great bun. If you want my recipes for keto ketchup or dill pickle mayonnaise, I will put those right over there. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click that like button. And thanks for watching.